welcome back to another video. So what I've been thinking and I was like, you know what, it's time to stop being a perfectionist. Literally, y'all, I used to make YouTube videos and literally it would be good. I would edit it and everything, and then I won't post it because I'd be like, you know what, this is not interesting enough, I could do better. Make another video, don't like this, delete it, and never post it. So it is time to stop being a motherfucking perfectionist and just make videos that I just truly want to make. I don't care about structure anymore. It's just strictly my life, whatever I want to record. This is what you get. I'm just giving lifestyle right now. Remember when I first started my YouTube channel, I always used to say, always start a YouTube channel, if you're deciding to make a YouTube channel, don't look at what everybody else is doing. Don't do that. Be your own person, do your own thing. And honestly, me, I was never the type to copy anyone's video. It's not my type of style. I can't, you know what you get is what you get. When you come to my channel, everything different. The editing, the attitude is just not real over here. So yeah, today I am rebranding my channel. Fashion, I actually took a sewing class in FIT in the city when I was still in middle school. And people ask, oh, what you want to do when you get older? I always said I want to be a fashion designer. And honey, I designed this hoodie. I got my brand Annadollpromo, and I just really want to do more of what I love in this fashion. So I'm going to be designing this little space, this little corner, my fashion corner. So basically I have a clothing rack. I got this from Target, $11. And this is gonna be my space where I will be doing my fashion videos, styling, putting looks together, trying on haul videos, and all of that. My room is actually pretty spacious. So what I'm gonna start out with this wall. This wall right here. I have this picture that was in my living room, and I think I want to put it here. I just been balling out every season, knowing some niggas I left in the piece. I just been married to double cup. I printed out a whole bunch of pictures of females that I'm personally obsessed with and where I really love their fashion and everything. We got Coily Ray and all that. And I'm thinking I want to place them all around here. So I'm gonna put this here. I don't know if I'm gonna use I'm gonna use thumbtack because I hate tape. You can't name a young nigga that's hot as all my niggas do murders and robbery. Got about 20 racks in the rabbit jeans. Niggas thinking I won off the lottery. When I hop in the push start with the pounds, niggas know that it ain't no stopping me. Out of town, chop like Mayweather, got a new crib off the boxing ring. With the new 40 autos on the Jeep, run up 30 in a week. I just fuck I don't keep 45 under the pillow, 45,000 in the sheets. I want the bag, nigga. I can't take no hoe if I know she ain't married to me. Bitch, I done got it. I just been balling out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the piece. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside another leader. Time to and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was stuck in them people, stuck in the birds, and out the Migos. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I go feed them. Then that bitch came in and she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it around with my people. Turn a whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm a diva. That shit, I ain't gotta. Okay, next I got these cute tail hangers from a discount store. And I'm gonna just put these here. Now, as far as these little things I have, I can put them over here. Hi from the Taylor girls. I'm gonna put her right here. Okay, y'all, so here is a close-up. We have this over here. This is where the rack is. Boom. We got the runway. My slippers are so damn dirty. Then I got that little plant right there from Target, $44.99. And then we got the wall right here. So this is just a better view of everything. Again, with the clothing rack, we got the runway rug. We got the runway rug ready, and yeah, this is a super cute space, y'all. I'm really excited. I'm so excited to do fashion videos. It's literally like, ugh, I can't wait. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I encourage you guys to keep working hard, always try new things. Fashion is something I always love. It's nothing new to me. I've been doing this for about a few years, maybe 4 or 5 years, but I had my clothing line for 2 years. It's just something I always love, and if you have a strong passion for something, find out creative ways that you can show it. Find out creative ways that you can put all your plans together, and just do what you love.